Hi everybody, so today we're going to go check out a waterfall and also a boardwalk in the Tanjay city. So we'll go check it out. Hopefully, last time we tried to go to a waterfall they had closed it down, but this one is secluded, so hopefully we can find it, hopefully we can get to it, and we'll take you along for the journey. Stay tuned.
Lumayan. Belum kana. Ani mo ni kerja dini mo miliko ah. Dini mo miliko ay kumbaya. Dini te. Aki mo kan sa bintilla. Mes yung naik bintulyo. Yung naik crossing drink para lubayas. Cuma mo tangan lubayas. Lubayas paper. Lubayas paper. Yung api lubayas na.
So we're still on the way to the waterfall. We had to ask several people, and we're still not there, but we're close. But the view up here is amazing. And we came with some friends behind me there. There they are. And but the view here is just very cool. But the roads are extremely bad. I'm on a scooter. Definitely do not recommend this waterfall because it's extremely hard to get to. I don't even know if I could really give directions. We've had to ask about 10 people so far, right? Yeah. And sometimes they sent us the wrong way and they would have to come back, and then, so we'll get mixed directions. But we finally are on the right path, so we should be there shortly. So we're here, we found the barangay, and we're going to hire one of these guys. He's going to take us down to the river. Apparently it's a 2-hour hike, and it's already 1 o'clock, so we're going to go ahead and do it. We're already here. There's the bananas. And my girlfriend's asking directions to the river.
I give up. There's the river right there. Nice and slow.
We're near to the water. We can hear it. But the waterfalls elude us for today. But we will still enjoy the river. Oh, you got a leaf on your back.
This is really crazy adventure.
Yes.
The roads is crazy.
Let's wait for a minute. We have a couple people still coming, babe. There's the water down there. I can see it. I hear water rushing up there, so there might be small little waterfalls along.
Small one. There you go, stay low. Oh my god. Alright, stay low. This is my first time in my life. This is the first and last. I don't like na talaga.
Yes, me too. I can adventure wherever, not like this. It's really very disappointing, my God.
A challenge adventure.
Very risky. I need more knees and toes.
Bikurog na akong mga legs, Jai. Imong legs.
Time to pour more water over our heads to cool us down.
Oo nga. Nako. Ayoko. Ayoko na. This is my last. This is my last.
Kapay na akong mga tuil. Oh.
My knees are shit. This is really slippery.
You have to go that way.
Yeah, which way?
That way.
Okay.
Oh, this way. Take this.
So we made it to the river. The waterfall is a long ways up the hike. We're not going to do it. It's too late in the day. It's already like 1:30 and it's like a 2-hour hike up. So just too late in the day, so we're not going to do it. But we are going to go swimming in this fantastic river. Really clean water. Nobody here. We had a hike through the jungle. And here's my girlfriend. And our two friends are here to join us. Say hello.
Yeah.
I hear coconuts.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna enjoying the water here. Really clean. Just nice water. I think we will hike further up the river in a little bit and see what's there.
Take off your shorts.
Yeah, I'm wet. Too late.
You have your...
I have what I have on. Oh.
shirt over there.
We actually found a little waterfall up this way, and we're gonna go check it out. We're gonna go swimming. We got the girls here, and so yeah, so let's go check it out. Still climbing up. Going up the river to the waterfall. Okay, so beyond this big rock, there's some waterfalls. You can see a ladder that's made for the waterfalls back there. And they're still hiking. Oh, we got company. We got a little kid up here. Looks like he's filling up his water jugs. You can go up the ladder, or this way you can swim, but it's a little deep over here, I think. Yeah, so here we are. There's a kid behind us. Looks like he's filling up water jugs. Yeah, I don't know what. I think so. Deep? Or go up the ladder. So we're here at the waterfall. It's a small one, but it's a great little swimming place. And it looks like we got company here. Kids. Yeah. We're just hanging out. I think we're going to climb up maybe one more level. We'll just go up one more level. Alright, so we're here at this waterfall. It's like a homemade little whirlpool, but nature's best in the Philippines. You can't beat it. We might hike a little further upriver and then come back down. You see the yeah, very nice. So we're going to continue up the river. We'll talk to you later. We got more waterfalls that we discovered here. Really off the beaten track here. We're not going to travel any further. It's already late in the day, so we enjoyed the waterfalls, and these two are just eating away. And we got company. There are kids behind us. And I think Steve is up there. Yeah. So guys, thanks for tuning in, watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
What's this? Another bottle of water is gone. What about the empty? We should put the empty.
No, no, no.
Yes.
Yeah, you have to carry this and then we can ask some water when you go up.
Ask for some water?
Yeah.
What, from the houses?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
We already have something here.
You have more?
Well, we have these two.
Yeah.
We have these two, but we've got to take the bottles.
Why? We have too much water.
Yeah, we do have lots of bottles. Right? Wait.
Wait. Steve is not around.
Up now. First part was a warm-up.